Why do you suddenly fall forward when a jeepney stops, or feel pushed back when it starts moving? It feels weird, but it's actually a powerful force called inertia. Let's break it down. Inertia is the tendency of an object to resist any change in its motion. That means if an object is at rest, it stays at rest, and if it's moving, it keeps moving in a straight line. This idea is explained by Newton's first law of motion, also called the law of inertia, which states that a body at rest remains at rest, and a body in motion continues in uniform motion unless acted upon by a net external force. When a jeepney suddenly stops and your body moves forward, it happens because your body was already moving with the vehicle. When the jeepney stops, your body wants to keep moving. That's inertia. Let's move on to another situation. When a vehicle suddenly accelerates and you feel pushed backward, it happens because your body was at rest. When the vehicle moves forward, your body resists that change. It feels like you're being pushed back, but in reality, your body is just trying to stay at rest. Now let's move on to the next example. Imagine a coin placed on a card over a glass. When you quickly flick the card, the coin drops straight down. This happens because the coin is at rest, and when the card is removed, it resists moving sideways. Because of inertia, it stays in place and falls straight down due to gravity. Now, let's move on to a quick check. For number 1, inertia is the tendency of an object to change its motion. False, because inertia resists change, not causes it. Let's move on to number 2. A moving object will stop on its own without any force. False, because it will keep moving unless a force like friction acts on it. For number 3, when a car stops suddenly, your body moves forward due to inertia. True, because your body continues its motion. Let's move on to number 4. An object at rest will stay at rest unless a force acts on it. True, this is exactly Newton's first law. Finally, for number 5, inertia is explained by Newton's first law of motion. True, because that law describes inertia. Now you know why your body moves like that. Follow Joedelyn Cruz for more simple science lessons.